Good morning. I'm Nancy with Johnson RV here in Sandy, Oregon. It's a beautiful sunny day here today, and I have a beautiful 2022 Unity Murphy bed to share with you. This is a beautiful, beautiful coach. They don't get much prettier than this. This is new to our lot and to our inventory of pre-owned pre-owned vehicles that we have here at Johnson RV. We do have one of the largest inventories of pre-owned leisure travel vans, both the Unities and the Wonders. I would love to share every single one with you. It is definitely my passion. Let's take a peek inside. This is the Espresso with the Dove, the Arctic White countertops, and the Bianca cabinet uffers. This is a beautiful coach. You have the third level trim in the cockpit. Let's take a peek in the bathroom. Large shower, large stand-up shower that you often do not find in a smaller Class B plus. Porcelain potty, storage, beautiful, beautiful spot to get ready in the morning. Lots of cabinet space, some aftermarket table that looks like this consignee has added to the mix. The cherry on their cupcake is their lovely slide-in storage area. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, great place to store any item. Convection microwave. Two-way refrigerator. This is really super cool, folks. You need to get something from the refrigerator? Here you go. You need to get something from the other direction because someone's in your way? Here you go. A little ice cream in the evening. This coach is equipped with 4-point levelers, 2,000 watt inverter, 42-inch television, and the leisure lounge, which are the two recliners. This is the Murphy bed unit. I'd love to answer any questions you have about this unit or any other of my leisure travel vans that I do have in stock. My name's Nancy. Give us a call.